What does this do?
That's to unlock and lock the car.
Really?
The doors.
Sweet!
Day 2 here in New Zealand. Last night we found some hot springs up by Hamner Springs and enjoyed those. Sulfur pools. Now Dylan is going to take a whack at this whole driving on the wrong side of the road thing. How are you feeling about this, Dave?
I'm scared.
Yeah?
This may be our last vlog.
So we've just started moving. How are you feeling, Dylan?
Feeling good. Feeling really good.
Don't hit the tree.
Was I close?
I don't know. It looked close from where I was. So Dylan, how are you feeling about driving on the wrong side of the road?
Not so bad anymore.
It's good.
It's not too bad.
You look very focused.
I am very focused.
So we just made our first stop of many stops. We didn't even make it out of the town yet, and we're stopping. This is gonna be a long drive. Oh, that's a rock wall!
Was I close to it?
Oh, you were so close! Alright, so these are called one-way bridges. Coming up around the corner here. I believe we have the right-of-way. Well, we gotta wait for this guy here. Look at that bridge! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, would you look at that! Woo! Oh, baby! Woohoo! So day 2 here, we got to see our first waterfall. We hiked up that trail probably about a quarter mile or so. There's this huge, like 50-meter waterfall, just water pouring off the mountain. It was just spectacular. It's really funny. We're walking up and we come up on this creek and the water's all running along there. And Megan and Dylan, I don't know if they've never seen running water before or what, but they both stop right there and they're taking all these pictures of the running water, and I keep walking up and finally find this big waterfall. I'm like, guys! But it was great. It was really cool. Now on to the next adventure. So what do you think of your first waterfall here?
Incredible.
Incredible.
Beautiful. And we were the only ones there. How cool is that?
We're in Gore Bay, New Zealand. It's on the east coast of the South Island. I don't know if you can hear the sea through our wonderful sun visor thing up here. Yeah, the sea, the waves are crashing just outside our door here. We're gonna spend the night here and then go explore Cathedral Lookout tomorrow. And then we pick up Courtney at like 3:30 in Christchurch, and then we head south. We've been loving it. The driving here isn't as bad as I thought it was, like Dylan was saying. The roads are kind of wild though. They don't have like a major highway system, and it's all like just 2-lane roads. So you can't get anywhere fast. Kind of spent the afternoon in Hamner Springs where we were last night. Grabbed some food there, and Megan found some. What'd you find there?
Some merino and possum wool.
Merino and possum wool. So we're driving down the road this afternoon, right? Dylan looks out the window and he's like, horses! Look at all the horses! And I look out the window and I look over in this field and it's full of all these cows. And I'm like, where are the horses? And he's like, right there. I was like, you mean the cows?
I thought they were horses. From a distance.
So if you like the videos, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I don't know which one's which here. Subscribe and thumbs up, and keep watching.